dose of 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. What are we doing today? Simple, easy, healthy, nutritious, the colors of the rainbow, antioxidants, good for your gut, sourdough bread. Let's get it now. Alright guys, when it comes to sandwiches, I like to be in and out of that kitchen. I like to make it nice and big, nice and healthy, nice and creative, and ready to eat. I don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, alright? I'm busy, you're busy, we're all busy, we got things to do. In, out, healthy, nutritious. Let me go ahead and show you a close-up what I'm working with right now. Alright guys, so this is what I got going on today. We have some Macintosh apples, 2 of them. We have cherry tomatoes and we have the yellow tomatoes. Good for your gut, low FODMAP, beautiful right there. Sprouts, nutrient dense. We have fresh avocado, limes, Kumato or Kamado tomatoes. I think I'm saying that right. Ripens from the inside out. Nice deep darkish brownish red color on the inside. We have some regular oranges. We have sourdough bread. Sits very well with me. If you like gluten-free bread, you can go ahead and use that. Any type of bread is going to work. We do have some carrots, some purple ones. Look at the color of that, guys. Beautiful right there. Some celery. We do have some yellow mustard. So let's go ahead and make the sandwich first. I'm going to go ahead and move all this stuff to the side, because we're going to go ahead and make a very small salad. That's going to be for the sandwich. The limes are going to be for the salad. We're going to use that. We're going to use this over here for the salad and the salad. So let's go ahead. We're going to start off with smearing this thing with some nice yellow mustard. Why yellow? Because I absolutely love it. Okay? Any mustard is going to go ahead and work beautifully. It does not matter. It's your choice. We're going to go ahead and get rid of this. I'm going to take some fresh ground pepper. We're going to put it on there like that. We're going to get this guy ready to be nicely made. We're going to go ahead and hit it with some good salt right there. So that's that. And you know what I'm thinking? A little bit of smoked paprika. That, if you never had smoked paprika, it's different from regular paprika, guys. There you go on ahead on that one. Put that there. We're going to go ahead and cut this bad boy nice and thin. Look at that tomato. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to show you this. Look at that. Juicy on the inside, guys. So I have some tomatoes right there. We're going to go ahead and do this romaine. We're going to cut this down a little bit. I'm going to put that over there. So we're going to plate that like that. We have some tomatoes layering that guy like that. Beautiful. Take your time, because this is going to be extraordinarily good. Now what I have is some avocado. I'm going to put it on there like that, any which way you like, obviously. I'm going to go ahead and use probably the whole half on there. Yummy, yummy. Okay, so we got that, right? Now we have some sprouts. I'm going to go ahead and put some sprouts. This is a heavy-duty sandwich. Look at how big that is. All right. We're going to go ahead and finish it with a little bit of lime on the top. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and finish it with some good olive oil. Beautiful. So there we have it. We have a beautiful, quick and easy, colorful sourdough sandwich that's ready to be eaten. I'm going to plate that guy right here. Okay. On the side, what do we have? We have pumpkin seeds. Okay. We're going to put that here and right there. This spot right here, is going to be for our salad, okay? So let's go ahead and make this salad. I'm going to go ahead and use this bowl right here, all right? Put it to the side. We got tomatoes in there we're just going to throw in. You can go ahead and cut these any which way you like, guys, okay? It does not matter. We have some Macintosh apples, my absolute favorite on these guys right here. Why? Because it actually tastes like an apple, all right? Doesn't matter how big or how small you cut it, okay? Just do me a favor and do not cut your fingers, all right? That's the most important. All right, I want it diced a little bit here. Nice. Matter of fact, I'm going to move this bowl so I can get a little bit of more working room here. Any kind of apple you go ahead and use, you can use Granny Smith. It does not matter, okay? We're going to move that over there. We're going to go ahead and move those over there. We're done with those for now. I'm going to go ahead and do another apple. I want this to be nice and crisp. Okay. Nice on that one. If you don't want to use 2 apples, go ahead and just use 1. Like I said, the main thing here, guys, is do not cut yourself, all right? Chop these up. Takes a little bit of time, but it's worth it because this salad's going to be really, really colorful and really healthy for you. Tasty at that, guys. That's a lot of apple. Beautiful. So we got that, right? So now we have some celery. You can cut it big. You can cut it small. However you want to go ahead and cut it, it doesn't matter. If you want to use 1, use 1 stalk. If you want to use 2, go ahead and use 2. All right? I'm going to go ahead and use 2 in this recipe. In all my recipes, you can go ahead and tweak. Okay, with whatever type of food ingredients you choose. So now we have that, right? So now these carrots, look at that. If you never had these guys, they taste a little bit differently than regular carrots. Cut it open in the middle, what do you have? Beautiful. I'm going to slice it down like that a little bit more. Look at the vibrant color on that. That is amazing. That is amazing, guys. We're going to add some nice color on this one right here. Going to dice that up. Just like we did the apples. That gives it a nice, vibrant yellow color, for sure. All right, so we got that over there. It's going to be a big salad. So now we have the tomatoes. The little cherry tomatoes. The yellow ones sit very well with me, okay? Just because of the FODMAP, the low FODMAP on those. If you like more red, go ahead and use red. It does not matter. Whatever you like. We're going to keep that other carrot. We're not going to use this one right here. We're going to keep that over there. Okay, here we go. So we got the regular Kumato or Kamado tomatoes in there. We're going to take all this. We're going to put it all in the bowl. Look at that. If I can get it all in the bowl, guys, that's the trick, right? All right. So here we have it. A couple tomatoes underneath here. All right, so we have the oranges. We're going to do some oranges in there. The citrus smell is just out of this world on these oranges, guys. We have more oranges. We have a nice big orange right there. That's good. We're going to top it off with a little bit of lime. Okay. We're going to wipe our hands a little bit over here. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil. We're going to do a little bit of salt. We're going to do just a tad of pepper. And that is it. That is our salad. Very crisp, very fresh, colors of the rainbow, healthy for your gut. Let me get you closer for this, guys. Wow. Right here. Look at that. If you want to add another orange, go ahead and add another orange, okay? Whatever you like. So now we're going to go ahead and bring this. We're going to put in a bowl. I'm going to plate that like that. I'm going to put it all in there because you know what? I'm really hungry. I'll top that off. Very, very. Wow. Look at that. Put that aside over there. That right there is a monstrous crispy salad. All right, guys, let me go ahead and show you what I got going on here. We have an amazing big salad right here. This guy is going to fill you up by itself. Then we have the sourdough bread with the sprouts and the pumpkin seeds. That is it for today. Have an awesome day. Be well, be safe, be yourself. Until next time, guys, I'll see you later.